Here I have a KROSS Bluetooth speaker, and the problem was when we're using the mic wasn't working. And if you open it up, the circuitry, you can actually see that this connector here, that connector there, is actually the mic. The middle one's ground, and you have left and right on the mic. So you can see on the PCB it's labeled mic. So when I looked at the back of this, these are three connectors connect to the mic, and if you notice, there's a hairline fracture on one of the connections. So let me just zoom in here. You can see it right there. You can clearly see it there. There's a fraction, so we'll have to solder that up, and that should fix the problem. Let's see if that fixes it.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. 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 Hello.